Thinking about buying a house sight unseen from another state on Zillow? Let's make sure you don't end up with a money pit. First, narrow your Zillow search by inputting your desired location and property criteria just like you normally would, paying close attention to school districts, crime rates, and local amenities, all available through Zillow's filters. Once you find a property that piques your interest, thoroughly examine all the listing photos, and critically, take advantage of any virtual tour or 3D home options. Next, hire a reputable local real estate agent. They can be your eyes and ears on the ground, attending showings, assessing the neighborhood, and providing a crucial boots-on-the-ground perspective that photos simply can't capture. Always get a professional home inspection from a certified inspector, and ask for a detailed report with photos and videos highlighting any potential issues. Consider adding a contingency to your offer, allowing you to back out if the inspection reveals significant problems. Include a financing contingency in your offer, ensuring you can secure a mortgage, and arrange for a remote appraisal to verify the property's value. Finally, carefully review all closing documents with your real estate agent and a real estate attorney before signing anything. Protecting yourself from potential legal pitfalls. Buying remotely can be done safely with the right precautions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. #remote buying #real estate safety.